Hi everyone, thank you for coming again to Dreamworldrobotics Kids Time Lab. I'm Teacher Martin. Today we're going to continue this Olympic game with you again. Last week we finished the Miratowa inside the screen so that you can control your Miratowa. And today we're going to build his partner, Someity, and the running track. So are you ready? Let's start the coding now together. Yeah. Now we have done our Miratowa, right? To build the Somati, it is very simple. You just need to duplicate the Miratowa file and change the costume of the Miratowa to Somati. Now let's start together. First of all, click on the Miratowa file here. And then right click, duplicate. So now you have two Miratowa files, Miratowa 1 and Miratowa 2. So we change this name to Somati. Okay, now you have a Miratowa and Somati file. Make sure that you click on the Somati file. Next, go to the costume. Okay, first of all, go to the first file of the costume. We need to change the first file and then we will duplicate and make for the others. So very easy. So go to the first file and then click on this reshape button. You got to modify the head. Click on the blue color mask and you just delete the mask off here. Leave only the eye and the mouth. Then click on this blue color line and change it to red color. Because my eye is a red color line. Then click on this as well. Change it to red color. Now you have a red color eye already. Next, take the line and draw a flower for the eye here. And then go to the reshape button. Click on the red color line and just make it round. Like this. And then you click on the line back and we're going to do the shape. Then reshape button, change the shape to like a flower. Okay, so this is the shape for the eye. And then we change this color to a pink color because Somati is a pink color character. And then we don't want this outline. After you have the shape, right? And then click on the head to ungroup. Click on the eye, go to the front. So now the eye is in front of the flower already. Then click on this flower again, copy and paste. And then you move over here and flip and adjust the location. Make it a little bit smaller because this is a side view. Then click on the eye and move it front. So now you have the eye done already. Next, you want to make the flower on the face here. So very simple. Take the line, then you just drag like this. Then reshape button like this. Then the line again. Then you click on this line and change the flower. Then go to the field, click the eye drop button and click on this pink color. Okay, now you have a flower on the face of it. Okay, this one we want to maintain the outline, so we put number 3. This is the flower for the face. This is the flower for the face. Then you copy and paste. You have another flower here. At least we want it to be 3. This is the outline 3. Now you flip again. Like this. Make it a little bit slim over here and send it back. like this. Next, we go to modify the ear. Click on the reshape button. Click on the line. Now our ear starts from here. Okay, draw a shape like this, and then use the reshape button. Drag it out. Drag it out. And this one go down. Okay, now you have this shape already. Click on it and then take the fill, take the eyedrop button and copy the thing. Now you have a ear like this. So you click on this leaf, or click on this flower and send to the front. And then we don't want the ear. We throw away this ear. And then click on this ear and copy and paste, put over this side, make it a little bit smaller, this, and then send to the back. Take the reshape button, click on this white color ear from Miratowa, and then throw away, delete. Now you have the Somati face of it. Yeah. I forget, Somati got the eyebrow. Okay, now you have the face done already, right? Make it smaller and then you highlight the head and you group it back. So now you have the Somati head already. Body, very simple. Click on the reshape button. Click on this shape, all the blue color. You use your finger, hold down your shift key, click all the blue color. And then you click on fill, go to the eyedrop button and take the thing. Wow, now you have the body for the Miratowa already. Next thing, click on the white color hand here. We don't want, because Somati hand won't have so big hand. We throw away the white color. And then this one we also throw away. We take this hand, copy and paste. Now you have another pink color hand. This is the left hand for her. And you stand to the back. Now she has both hands already. Last thing that we need to do with the body is the leg now. Click on the reshape button, click on the pink color leg, drag this point over here, drag this point over here, drag this point over here. Yeah, we try to make the shoe in pink color now. Okay, see, now we have the leg done already. Use the reshape button, click on the pink color shoe, and then you Control C and Control V. You have another shoe out. Put in another leg. Make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, you just move up this white color leg and then you put here. You match it together. You click the white color, you put them. And you put it back again. Stand to the back. And then the shadow goes back. So now you have the Miratowa done already, but we still have the clothes. So the clothes is very easy. Take the square, draw like this first. 1. Okay, click on the fill. You choose the pink color. Then another pink color. We draw all the squares. Very simple. This drawing for the Somati for the float, right? Is simple. Just make things simple. No need to be very difficult. Okay, after you have the arrangement like this, right? Then next thing that you need to do is go to the field. Next thing you need to do is go to the field, change to white color. Now you drag white color. Yeah, after you have this done, click on arrow, select all these boxes. Yeah, without selecting the body, we only need this cloth and you group them. So now you have the cloth already. You put behind Somati here, you send to back. Like this. Yeah, you see she has her cloth already. So you have the first picture done for Somati. So we got to duplicate this picture for all these posture. Very simple. Make a highlight for the picture here, right? Then you copy, you go to the second picture, you make it small, you paste, move the Somati away. So part by part we replace the head like this. You put in the head where the Miratowa head, you put in the Somati. Just as simple as this. And then you click on the Miratowa head, you delete. Now you don't have the Miratowa head already. So next thing, move the body to the replace the body. So now you have your second picture already. Next, go to the third one. And then you just paste the Somati again. Now you arrange again like just now what you did for all the pictures. So now you have the third one. The fourth one, same thing, paste, move. Have all the picture done. So now let's try the coding. Click on the code. Now we got to change some button first before we can try the game. First of all, the Y location for Somati, I think she should be standing over here. Then the location, this is minus 35. We put minus 35 here. Then next thing is you scroll down. Yeah, because the button 1 and 2 already utilized by the Miratowa character. I'm going to change this number 1 to Z. And then this number 2 go to X. Z and X on the keyboard. So you scroll down. You can change all the 1 and 2 to Z and X. To X. this one also Z and X. Okay, we are done with the SX, the speed one. Then we got to go to the animation, same thing. The one got to go to Z, two go to X. Scroll down. The one go to Z, two go to X. Yeah, we are done on the coding. And then for this part of the coding, right, the referee, we do not need to duplicate for two referee because we have one inside Miratowa already. So this whole thing we can throw away. Then the next thing is go to Miratowa, because when you see the picture here, right, you can see the picture here, Somati is overlapping on Miratowa head. So that means Miratowa actually got to be on top of Somati. So we got to add another code for Miratowa. So that's why we got to go to Miratowa file and scroll up until you see the green flag here, right? Go to the loop, scroll down, put in the front here. Yes, so when you green flag,
on your mark, get set,
Miratowa is
go,
top of Somati, and then both of them is running now. So when you press the Z and X button, right? See, Somati is running in front already. And you press the 1 and 2 together, you see, Miratowa also running. So you have two characters already. So you see, that is very simple. You just need to duplicate the file and change the costume, and then you can enjoy two characters. Okay, now next thing that we need to do is the running pathway. We got to build the running pathway together. Now let's continue. First of all, you got to go to this page. You want to put in a background for this game. Go to the picture icon and let's look for a background now. Click on the choose a background, and then we're going to use this baseball one. So click on the background, go to the backdrop here. Let's do some modification. We throw away the baseball court, click on the reshift button. Yes, click on the white color line, throw away all these box and line. This is the the baseball court. We don't want. We just need the field. We don't need the circle. We don't need this one. This we don't need this. Yeah, we need this only. Then next, go to the square and drag a path. Then change this path to red color, like this. Okay, and you see they are on the running pathway. Next thing, draw line for them. Change to white color line. Make the line thicker, number 5. So now they start to have a running path already. And now you have one running path for the Miratowa. Copy and paste another line. Arrange it here. Then you paste another line. Arrange it higher. Yeah, you see now both of them got a running path already. Okay, next thing, after you have done with the backdrop, it's all for the backdrop now. Next thing, we need to create the scrolling view so that you will see your character is running very fast. So we got to give him the running track benchmark, like 10 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters until 100 meters. So how to do this? Very simple. Let's green flag first and see the location. Yeah, they are here. Okay, then you go to the pen, click on the pen, change this to track. Change the name to track. After that, go to the costume, then take the line and draw one straight line first. Okay, draw one straight line and put in the middle. And then go to the display here, move the line here. Yes, this is the starting line for the game. Now you have the starting line already, right? Draw a line again, we make them flat here. So that we know this is a 10 meter. Change the color to another color, maybe is a blue color, and then we make it thicker like it, and then with a red color flat. This one we change to the black. Click on the triangle, we make a black color outline, and we change and we click on the fill and change to red color. So we have a red color flag now. Okay, this is the flag here. Okay, this is the first picture for the costume. Of course, now we have to build the 10 meter. Very simple. Click on this first picture, duplicate. Now your second picture already, right? Click on the T, text, and then you put in 10 meter. Put these words into white color, use the fill, and then go to the outline and put 3. Make it thicker and change to white color. So now you have a 10 meter here. Drag it bigger a little bit, not so big, and then we want to arrange it at the middle here, so that you know it is 10 meter. Yeah, this belongs to the picture number 2. The first picture, it doesn't have any meter because it is a starting point. After you run for some time already, they will come out the second one. Now this is the 10 meter. After that, you duplicate again the 10 meter, click on the 10 meter and change to 20 meter. Then you duplicate, still is nothing. Second is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. This flag comes to 100 meters. That means who touched this line, this costume, he will be winning the game. Okay, now after you are done with the costume already, right? Now we're going to start the coding together. Let's click on the coding now. Let's start with the green flags. And then go to looks. Put in the switch costume and put costume number 1. Yeah, when you green flag, yeah, it is nothing. Yes. And then next, still under the looks function, put in the go front layer, but need to change to back layer. Then next thing, go to the motion and put in the location of the line. Now when you green flag, you see
On your mark.
character is standing in front of the line, and then they get ready, and then they
Go.
run. Yeah, something like this. Good. And then when do we start to move this line? It is when you say run, right? So the line starts to travel. so that you will see your character is running very fast and very hard to reach to the finish point. So how to do this? Go to the event, take out the when I receive. This time they will straight go to the go. When I receive the go function, then they will start to travel. So when they start to travel, right, it is a operation. So need to go to the control. We need to put in the forever loop. And then next thing, go to the motion, put in the change X. Okay, this time the change X is not going to the right hand side because this is a number 10, means like they are going to the right. We want this line, right, is going to the left. Yeah, this line is always going from the right hand to the left hand. So this is what we want to make the line goes about. So we need to change this number to -10. After that, when this line reach to the end of this point, we want to send this line back to the front. So how to do this? Very simple. Go to the control, we put in the if block, and then go to the operator, put in the smaller sign, go to the motion, scroll down and put in the X positions. When the X position is smaller than -240, we are going to set the X to 240. So let's see what happens when you green flat, right?
On your mark.
You see the line will be travel to the end and then will come back to the front here. You see? Now your two character is like running already with the field. Yeah, this is what we want to make it happen. Next thing, because now you see all the line coming out is without the number. We want to let the player, the people who play your game, they see that they are always changing the costume so that you are knowing that how far you run already. So after when you're changing, go to the loops here, scroll down, put in next costume over here. So you see now when you put in next costume,
on your mark,
everything will look different. When the lines pass the end, they will come out 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter. You see your character is running as fast as they can, and then they are achieving longer distance. And the longer distance is not from the character, it is just from the background that we set so that you know they are running 80 meter already. And then we see who is the fastest. Yeah, now Miracle is ahead. Oh, why he not winning the game yet? And back to 0 because he did not caught the touching of the 100 meter line yet. So now we want to put in the if. Yeah, any character touch the 100 meter line and that character will win the game. You see, that's simple. So go to the control, we want to put in this clause, put in the if block here, scroll down, and then we have two conditions. You see, we got to check this 100 meter, who touch it? Is it the Miratowa or the Someity? So go to the operator, put in the AND block, and then put in the equal sign for this first diamond. Why we want to put in the first equal sign? Because we want to let the computer know which costume number this character is touching. So go to the loop, scroll down, pick out the costume number, and then check the number for the 100 meter costume. Scroll down, the last costume is 100 meter, you see? 100 meter. So it's costume 11. So we put in the 11 here. Next thing, go to the sensing, take out the touching mouse pointer and change the mouse pointer to Miratowa. We build the first block for Miratowa first. After they touch the Miratowa, go to the event, we take out the broadcast, and then we change this to new message and type Miratowa win. Okay, so you will broadcast Miratowa win. At the same time, the referee will say Miratowa win. So you put in the speak and you type and then you will say game Miratowa win. The last thing, go to control and stop this script. So this is for Miratora winning the game. After that, you click you right click on the if, you duplicate. You want to make this block for Somati.
Game.
Over here.
Miratowa win.
And then click on the Miratowa here. Put in Somati, touching Somati. So this time is it the costume 11 touching the Somati or not? If let's say yes, you get to broadcast a new message called Somati win. This time is Somati win. Then you say okay. Then this picking for the referee you change to Somati win. Somati win. After that you end this script. That's all for the background. So let's try. And you green flag.
On your mark.
And then
Get set.
this time we will let the
Go.
Miratora win. So we let Miratora run a little bit faster. And you listen to the speaker, see whether they say Miratora win. Let's listen carefully and test whether it is right or wrong.
Game. Miratowa win.
Yes, they are right. So the programming is correct already. But now they are still keep on running, right? So we got to finish this game with the last part. What do we need to do? Okay, very simple. We click on Miratowa. So when Miratowa win the game, right? What happened? Miratowa will jump, right? He will jump. Yes, yes, yes. He will win the game like this. So go to the event. Pick up the when I receive and then change this to Miratowa win. So when Miratowa win, right, we are not asking him to run anymore. So go to control, scroll down, pick out this stop all and change the all to other script in this sprite. Yeah, we're going to stop all the script in this sprite. Only left this when I receive Miratowa win. Okay, and then go to the control again, pick up the repeat 10. We change the 10 to 3. Next thing, go to the loop. Pick up the switch costume and check the first picture for the jumping, winning the game, which is the hooray. Yes, this one, number 6 and 7. Yeah, it's the hooray. 6, 7 is the hooray. So then we want to put in the 7. Yeah, it's squatting down, bending the body. And then wait for 0.5 under the control option. Go back to the loop again, put in the switch costume and put to number 6. And then we go to control, put in the weight again for 5. After that, go to the control. We're going to stop all the program. That means the game is done already. We have the game has finished. So now, when this is when the Miratora win. How about the Miratora lost already? Go to the event, pick up the when I receive. This time put Somati win. So when Somati win, right? So Miratora cannot jump. So he got to go to control, stop the other sprite first. Stop other script in the sprite. Go to the loops and switch the costume number 1. He will be only standing there. So now we repeat this process with Somati. It is very simple. So click on this block of program when I receive Miratora win and drag it and put it inside Somati file. So when you see Somati file is what? Shaking, and then you can release. So this will become Somati coding as well. Take this Somati win as well, put under the Somati file. And then you click on the Somati. You see these 2 extra files. They are duplicate inside Somati. put aside first. Okay, arrange it. And then, because they are the same thing, we just need to switch. When Somati win, then Somati will say hooray over here. When Miratoa win, she will stop down and stand there. Okay, now let's try the game together. Okay, now when you green flag, right? Yeah.
On your mark.
Character is ready and on your
Get
mark,
set.
and they can run.
Go.
Okay, then now this time we let the Miratora win. We let the Miratora win again. So Miratora is now ahead of Someity. He is running very fast. So you see the screen, right? The background is going to the back and they are running to the front. And then
Boom.
I see Miratora start to jump already. Very good. The game is as simple as this. So now it works for the Miratora. Let's try and let's
On your
Someity
mark.
win. This time
Get
let
set.
Someity win.
Go.
So Someity will be running a little bit ahead from Miratora. Yeah, Miratora got to catch up. Yeah, it is very difficult. You got to press very fast. Repeatedly. Okay, Someity win.
Boom.
Yes,
Somebody win.
Somebody is jumping already. Yeah, I hope you like this game. This is a Olympic game. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it and you can share this game with your friend. After you have done up your own version, you can send to your friend and you can enjoy and play with them together. So, teacher will see you again in the next video for another game. Thank you. Bye bye.